Hi everyone, Dr. Monette here to show you how to export your Microsoft PowerPoint to handouts, notes, and outlines. So as future teachers, sometimes you have students that are absent, or maybe you need to have a copy of your notes so that you can walk around the room to make sure all of your students are on task. So something that you could do, for instance, this is one of my PowerPoints from one of my classes, is if I wanted to print this out so that I could have it as I'm going around for notes, what I would do is I'd come up to File, and then I would go to Print. And then under the print settings, I can print this in any way I want to. So there are 68 slides here, but I do not want 68 pages. So something that I would want to do is I would want to come here to Layout. And under Layout, there's many different options that you can print to have for you, or if you have a student that's absent or a student that's out of the classroom, you can print out the handouts and the notes or the outline for your students, depending on what it is that you want them to see. So here for handouts, I can choose how many of my slides I want per slide. So if I want 9, this is what it would look like when I print it out. That may be a little small, so I may want to change it to 4, may want to change it to 6, depending on how I want it to look. So for handouts, what I would do is I would click on that, and then over here we have a PDF button, and we can save it as a PDF. And it's as easy as that. Or you can open it up in Preview or Adobe, whatever you have, and you can save it like that too. Something else, if you don't want a handout, maybe you want notes. This would be where you would have your PowerPoint, and then under here you would have any directions that you have. So for instance, if I went back out here to notes and I said, this is my example, and then I come back up here to File, and I go to Print, and then I go to Layout and I change it to Notes, now you can see where I wrote my notes. So as you're going throughout the class, you can have notes there to help you stay on track or whatever it may be. Now for outline, this would be the outline of all of the slides that you have. It would look a little something like this. So it would tell exactly what your key points are on your slides right here. And if it's a picture, for instance, like on 3, I just have a picture, it doesn't show the picture there. So it only shows the text. So you would choose accordingly which one that you need for your students or which ones you need for yourself. And again, when you want to print them, you can either hit print or save as a PDF. And you can either open it up or you can save it as a PDF. Your choice for that.